Assalamu alaikum and hi friends. This is Wasim Zahid from Kitchener, Ontario, Canada. For a quite time and now I was thinking about starting a vlog dealing with the affairs of immigrant community residing in Canada, in territories and different provinces. So in this context, I have already started a vlog in Urdu and Hindi language. So rather than having subtitles on these videos, I have decided, and for quite time now, is thinking of having these programs and videos in English language. Primarily, I'm concerned about the topics of people coming from Southeast Asia, primarily from Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh. And I will also cover the topics of people living, coming from Latin America, Philippines, and the Middle East. So in these videos I will cover topics starting from the home buying, dealing with the topics of permanent residence, PR, and then moving towards Canadian citizenship, where I will have three programs separately. First we'll deal with how to start with your citizenship application, and then later on in the next episode I will cover how to go for the test and interview, and in the last program I will cover the oath taking ceremony. So these are the main topics which are quite relevant to the new immigrants, and also those people who are already living in Canada. And then second topic is education. I'm very much interested in this topic because we as an immigrant need to enhance our education within Canada. So in this regard, to start with, I will cover three topics. The first one is about your credentials assessment. We'll cover different things associated with this topic. Then I will move to OSAP, Ontario Student Assistance Program, where I will cover how can you get funds required for your education and for your family and family assistance. And then in the third program I will cover OCAS, Ontario College Application Service, where you have now funds, your credentials are assessed, and now you're ready to get admission in college across Ontario. So these are the basic topics which I will focus on, and I will gather information and share it with you. I will also cover topics which are related to the groceries from these countries, restaurants, hotels, takeaways, halal and vegetarian food shops, meat shops. So all these things are there, where I will have this information for you. So in this context, I would request you to keep watching my programs, because basically these are informative programs for you. I'm sharing this knowledge for you, and in order to help you. And so please subscribe my channel, like it, share it, and where you feel that you have questions, you can ask me always. I'm your brother, I'm your friend. I'm a person from your own background. If you are from Southeast Asia and other immigrants all across the globe, so you are most welcome. So thank you for watching. In the next program I will cover with the next topic, and keep watching. Thank you.